Hello and welcome back to Created by Vision LLC. Back by popular demand, we are revisiting a subscriber favorite, creating engaging scrolling text banners. When I first started this series a few years ago, I showed you how to create scrolling text using code in Canva, but since then Wix has updated its editor and now you can add scrolling text to your site completely code free. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the basics. If you are interested in getting a stylized version like the one you see here, or want more videos on this topic, just let me know in the comments. Getting right into the tutorial, we're going to go over to Wix Studio and open up our website template. On the left toolbar, click the Addition button to add an element. Then where you see text, click that and you'll want to select text marquee. As you can see here, you have several options as to how you want your scrolling text to look. We're going to edit it anyway, but I'll start with this marquee that says "Hello Beautiful." To change the text, just click the marquee, hit change text, and add your message. Okay, then if you want to edit the colors separator or that icon in between the text, you'll want to open the inspector over here on the right. This toolbar will allow you to change the font size. The maximum minimum option here simply determines how large or small an element can get across different devices. Then you have color, spacing, and the separator. We can change the heart to another shape such as a circle. And then using this toggle, we can change the size. You can change the speed and determine if you want your text to move left or right. If you'd like, you can enable pause on hover. You can adjust the margins, which are the distance between the element and the edges it's docked to. And lastly, you can adjust the text visually using properties like opacity for transparency and rotate, and CSS transforms like scale, skew, and translate. Scale changes the size of an element. For example, you can make the text appear twice as large. Skew slants the element diagonally. This is different than italicized font. Italics is where the font is not just tilted but made to look fancy, whereas a skewed element is only slanted. And then translate moves the element from its original position. For example, you can shift the text 50 pixels to the right or 20% down to create a layered effect or better alignment. And just so you know, when you change any of these CSS properties, you'll only be able to see the changes when you preview or publish the site. If you want to see how it'll look on your live site, just go up to this eye icon and select preview. And that's it, a scrolling text banner using no codes whatsoever. Again, if you're interested in getting a stylized version like the one you see here, or want more videos on this topic, just let me know. Happy creating. Until next time.